Hi, this is the Rare Breed Coffee Subscription Guide. All right, so first of all, you got to log in. Type in your email address and your password and sign in. Now you can see all the orders that you have. On the right side, the account details. You can update your addresses in this area. The next step is to find your subscription. So here you have to scroll down and click on this kind of sneaky little manage subscription button. All of your subscriptions will be listed on this page. You can change the number of units. You can swap out products here. So in this case, you can change the grind particle size. You can also change the size of the bag if you want to make adjustments or you want to try something different. You can also update the shipping methods for each individual subscription. Finally, you can add any notes on your subscription by typing order notes. Love this coffee. The trickiest part is updating payment. So we're going to update the payment by clicking on this button, and it will send you an email with an update payment method here. From this screen, you can update your payment, or you can add a payment if you wish. Finally, you can resume or cancel the subscription. The other way of changing payment is going to the Shop app. Because we are Shopify, we use Shop Pay as our merchant services. From this, you can see your subscriptions, click on the subscription, and then you can update your payment method or manage your subscription from there. Thank you so much for watching this video and for being a subscriber to Rare Breed Coffee.